We move to the next speaker. It's the Next Century Foundation. Please, you have the floor.
Next Century Foundation is encouraged by the Republic of Iraq's continuation of repatriation efforts of former child soldiers to their countries of origin. We hope Iraq continues and increases their efforts and call for the international community, particularly Germany, France, Italy, and the United Kingdom, to repatriate former child soldiers who have or whose parents have European citizenship. We are concerned by reports on the increase of the numbers of children being detained on national security charges. Former child soldiers have the right to primarily be treated as victims and be detained only as a short-term measure. We are concerned by the emerging evidence that former child soldiers are being detained in conditions without proper food, sanitation, and ventilation, and exposed to acts of torture and attempts to elicit confessions. This is a violation of the obligation to protect children from all forms of violence under international human rights law. We ask the UN to work with Iraq in encouraging greater transparency on the treatment of former child soldiers through the creation of a database which includes information on where they are being held and a timeframe of when they will be released. We further call for a review into children currently detained on national security charges and the release of all those whose confessions were given under duress or where there is a lack of evidence.
Thank you. I give the floor to Centre d'études juridiques africaines.